So hello friends, I'm Siddhartha and you are watching Code with Siddharth. So in this video of our channel, we're going to talk about what are comments, escape characters and a part of the printer statement. So without wasting any further time, let's start this video. In simple words, we can say that the print statement is used to print something or to show something on our console, whether it is an integer, a word or something else. Let me show you this in my PyCharm. So if I type print hello world and run this program, okay, let me run it, hello.py, and press enter. Then as you can see, hello world is printed. So the print function is showing hello world in our console or terminal. So you may be noticing the colons on both the ends of this hello world. So you don't have to worry about these things right now. This comes under string. We will discuss it more in the data types video. Okay, so you don't have to worry about this right now. You have to see that the hello world is printed in our terminal and the print function is doing the function of showing something in our terminal. So if I type here print 32 or any integer without these columns, 54, and run this program by typing the program name, then as you can see 54 is printed. So you don't need to worry about the columns and I am removing the columns. You don't have to worry about this. You just have to understand that it is being printed. So we got the basic idea of print, that it prints something or shows something in our terminal. Now we will move on to escape characters in print. So let's talk about escape characters in Python. So if I'm typing, okay, hello friends, and after this I have to put a new line. Okay, so you will press enter. Okay, you can see there is an error after I press enter. So in Python, if you want to add a new line, you have to put a backslash and n, and you can type anything after this which you want as a new line. So I will type hello and anything, and if I run this program now, you will notice that after the hello friends, the hello is downward. Okay, it is not with the hello friends in the same line, it is in the next line. So this is known as an escape character. Not only backslash n, there are many escape characters like backslash t and many more. You can search on the web for them. Okay, so the backslash t does a gap of a tab or 4 spaces. Let me show you. Hello.py and press enter. You can see there is a gap of 4 spaces or a tab. Okay, so these are escape characters which makes our work easier in typing more and more and reduces our time of code. So this much for the escape characters, and now we will move on to comments. What are comments and how to use comments and the various type of comment. So the first question which arises in our mind is what are comments. So in basic words, comments are line or a number of lines which are not executed by the interpreter. It can be the name of the author or anything which you want to write about the code, and it will be not executed by the interpreter. So there are two type of comments, single line comments and multi-line comments. So let's explore these both type of comments. So let's first talk about single line comments. So single line comments are basically the comments which are written in one line or a single line. Let me show you this by an example in my PyCharm. So if I want to write made by Siddhartha, and if I run this code right now by typing hello.py in my terminal, so you can see there is an error. It is not anything new because it will occur an error because it is nothing as code. Okay, so if I want to make it as a comment and a single line comment, then I will put a hashtag in front of the line. As you can see, the color of this line changes in the PyCharm, and if I run my code right now, you can see there is no error and the line hasn't been executed. So these are single line comments. Now we will move on to what are multiple line comments and how to use multiple line comments. Multiple line comments are the comments which are existing in multiple lines. So if I want to type a comment more than a line, then I can use multiple line comment. So now we will learn how to insert a multiple line comment and what makes it different from single line comment and how it is more efficient from the single line comment. So to insert a multi-line comment, you have to write 3 columns, and the other 3 columns are created by the PyCharm automatically. So between these, you have to write your code like this is a good boy. If I have to write like this, then as you can see, it exists in multiple lines and it will be a comment. If I run my code now by typing hello.py, you can see the line hasn't been executed. So these are multi-line comments. So we can see that the multi-line comments are more efficient and more easy to be done than the single line comment, because in the single line comment again and again you have to put a hashtag, but in the multi-line comment once you put 3 columns, the other 3 columns are automatically done and you have to write the code between them. So it is very easy to insert a multi-line comment. So we now know that the multi-line comments are more efficient than the single line comments, and you can insert multi-line comments and single line comments as they are needed. If you want to write in a single line, you can use single line comment, and you have to write in multiple lines, you can use multi-line comments. Okay, so now we are done with the comments. So in this video we learned about what are comments, escape characters, and what is print function. We will discuss about this print function in the upcoming videos in more detail. So guys, only this much for this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share this video. Till then, be safe. Goodbye. See you in the next video.